Good morning children, welcome to class 4 computer. So continuing with the topic of hardware and software. Today's class we are going to see about the output devices children. Okay. So what are output devices? So after processing in the CPU, the result, whatever work we have done now, that is seen on the screen children or the monitor. Okay, screen or monitor. So that forms your output children. Screen or monitor, that forms your output. So monitor is displayed on the screen by default. Okay. So what are the types of monitor you have? The first one is cathode ray tube children. Cathode ray tubes. Short form is CRT monitor. So in your textbook also the picture is given children, cathode ray tube monitors. So these monitors are used earlier. It was very heavy children, like old TV is there now, how it will look like that it was. So it was heavy also. So now it is being replaced by LCD monitors children. So it is replaced by LCD monitors. They are liquid crystal. LCD means liquid crystal display children. They are replaced by liquid crystal display. So the CRT monitors are replaced by liquid crystal display monitors children. So these are flat screen. So nowadays when you go buy a TV, you buy a flat screen TV only. Like that monitors also children. These are flat screen monitors. Okay, they also nowadays laptops also have LCD monitors children. The next one we are going to see about is printers. So there are different types of printers children. When we take a printout, no, that printout is called as hard copy. Okay, which is in the computer we tell it as soft copy, but when we take a printout we will call it as hard copy. Your question papers you are getting now children for your exams. So that is a hard copy. When I keep it in the computer, it is a soft copy. So what are the printers available in the market? We will see children types of printers. First one is DMP. Types of printers. First one is DMP, that is dot matrix printers. Okay, dot matrix printers. So what book you have got the picture children. So it will have a it shows the output on a paper as a dot children. So it will have a head like a ribbon. It will be so like this. A head will be touching over here. So the ribbon will be moving. So each character it will be printing over that children. Okay, it has got steel pins are there. Okay, it will hit into the ribbon and a character or a text or a picture is being created children. Okay, its speed is very slow. Okay, dot matrix printer. The next one is inkjet printer children. Okay, what it does now, you have seen in the paint spray now like that in the inkjet. That's why they have used the word inkjet. Ink, coloring children, coloring or black and white ink also. So inkjet. Okay, so through one nozzle like this, the color ink will be there. It will be spread over to the picture. Whatever colors is required, no, the colors and all will fill for the picture children. That's why you tell color cartridge, black and white cartridge for your printer. So it prints on the paper by spraying ink by tiny nozzles. Okay, tiny nozzles children. It prints one character at a time. It is faster than DMP. Okay, it prints one character at a time. It is faster than DMP. The next one is laser printer children. Laser printer. It uses the laser light children. Okay, it uses the laser light. It prints one page at a time by using laser beam. Okay, laser beam is a light, children, light beam. Okay, that one it uses. So it prints one page at a time. Okay, it is the costliest printer. Okay, its speed is very fast, children. So here the laser printer is only the fastest. It prints one page at a time. Whereas the inkjet printer, how it prints? One character. One character means one letter A, the next letter B, the next letter C. Like that it prints, children. The next one is your plotter. So plotter, here in your book it is shown, children. It is printing graph, huge drawings, architectural work, etc. So suppose we put a building plan, children, it will come in a big sheet. Okay, very lengthy one, like this it will be. So for that we use the plotters, children. Big drawings, architectural work means big like palaces, big buildings they built, for that and all they will use this plotter, children. The next one, speakers. So speakers is what? Whatever the sound stored in the computer, you are able to listen, output. Okay, you are able to listen from the speaker, the form of voice or sound, children. So these are some of the output devices. So take your textbook and read, children. So once again I revise you. So we have the first one is the monitors. So the monitors, first you have the cathode ray tube. Okay, monitors, you have the cathode ray tube. It is being replaced by the LCD monitors. Okay, the next you have the output device, printers. So printers, what you have? Dot matrix printers, inkjet printers, laser printers. Then we learn plotters and speakers. Okay, so children, take your textbook and read. Learn the new spellings, children. Okay, see you in the next class. Thank you.